Welcome back. When it comes to interior design, it can be hard to imagine what you want your space to look like. So our sponsors at Ethan Allen of Western New York can use technology to help you see your vision before bringing it to life. I'm joined now by Michael Michalski to tell us more. Welcome, Michael. Thanks so much for coming in.
Thanks for having me into the studio.
Of course. Let's talk about that newer technology that you're able to use to enhance the design experience for your clients.
Yeah, helping a client visualize is the key to successful collaboration with us. So, and yet it's the hardest thing for clients to do, is to try to visualize a space or a piece or something that they're looking at. As a designer, it's not our job not only to come up with a beautiful solution, but it's also to communicate it effectively. And with the advent of all the technology in our industry now, it's making that much easier, and it's just enhancing the client experience.
It really is. You use 3D technology to create the space, right?
Correct.
What's cool about that?
This is one of the most fun and exciting things out there now, because when I started long ago in the business, it was all hand drawing. You would hand draw a floor plan, you would trace the furniture, all of those kinds of things. And then it kind of evolved into a 2D electronic drawing as the technology started to come on the scene. And now what we can do is we can actually take your space, we can go into your home, measure it up, and then draw it up in 3D. And so it can show you the sizes, the dimensions,
We're seeing that
a very
now.
lifelike, right, a very lifelike representation of it, and really can even walk you through the space.
Let's talk about the custom product visualizer and what makes that so helpful.
Yeah, this is a little bit smaller because this is more on the specific piece. So you can take any one of our pieces of upholstery and put it in any one of our fabrics and customize it so you can see what it looks like.
Okay.
And that's very helpful because sometimes you just can't picture what a floral fabric might look like on your chair. So we can do that. We can show it with different wood finishes and tufting and nail head details, so you really get a really nice visual.
And when it comes to rugs and flooring, you have another feature that focuses specifically on that too.
Yeah, our rug visualizer is very helpful because we have a beautiful selection of area rugs. So we can pull those up and show them actually to you in a room setting. In a stock photo, we can upload a photo of your actual room and put that rug in your room. So much easier than lugging a 9x12 rug home to test it out. So we can lay that out for you right in your space. It also helps with sizing of a rug because that's a common mistake.
Yes.
That people don't use the right size rug. So we can show what the different size rugs look like in your space, so you know that you're going with the proper proportion and scale.
That's right. We learned that from you not
hopefully.
too long ago. But what's cool about this is that clients can actually use this on their own with an app.
Yeah. There's the EA in-home app, and what's really cool about this piece is we can take the app and go to your home and actually project a piece on your wall. So if you're looking at a sofa, we can project that sofa on your wall with the proper dimensions and scale and everything. Looking at a piece of artwork, we can bring that piece of artwork up and project it on your wall. So you really is taking it right into your home to be able to see it.
How do you think AI will be able to help enhance the design process in the future?
Yeah, that's really the next wave, and it's really new right now. We don't quite know how it's going to affect our industry, but one area that I could see it helping is, we have clients come in all the time and say the look we want is maybe, farmhouse. Well, their interpretation of farmhouse may be very different than ours. So using AI, we can go to an app and say, show some farmhouse looks. And then we can have a conversation with that client about, is this what you mean by farmhouse? And really get a much more focused solution for them.
I imagine the use of these technologies really helps streamline the process, right? Because when it comes to design, I know myself, it's very hard for me to visualize.
Yeah.
Like I have to see it.
Right.
And before there wasn't this opportunity, and now you quite literally can see your own space with these pieces.
Yeah, it's always fun to see when we have a client, we bring them in and we do a presentation and we bring that 3D image up, that it's fun to see the reaction that, wow, I really can appreciate now what you're showing me and how it's going to feel in my home and all that. So it absolutely helps us streamline that process and really make it a reality for clients.
Well, Michael, thank you so much for coming in and sharing more about this cool process. Viewers, if you would like to learn more about their design services, you can visit their showroom on Sheridan Drive or visit our sponsors at ethanallen.com. Thanks again for coming in, Michael.
Thank you.